up, guys? Day 2 at the Taylor Dragon. We just woke up. We got the bikes loaded in the back. We're about to head out. Man, but yesterday we were able to get out with just Puke and I. Today we're gonna get out with the whole squad. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. What year is this, Steve? Oh, hey, I love the orange, bro. M4 exhaust on it. Hey. Wake him up, wake him up. Damn, with the Yoshimura pipes on there. You just cannot beat the sound of that. First time seeing her, man. You got the R1, he really did it. The come up, man. From the 250 to the R1. I'm gonna throw in the picture of us when we picked up this 250 for the first time. Yeah, I still have that picture. I'll throw that up here. Yep, that was back when I had my CBR600rr. Nice new grips. That's how it's supposed to be done. Ninja 250. Jixers, yeah, CBR600rr, then go to the R1, all right? So all you dummies in the comment section saying, I started on a ZX14, first bike was an H2. Y'all are dumbasses, okay? God, that's not cool. This is dope. I don't think y'all understand, like, Nate's been my boy since what, 6th grade? 6th grade. And now we have the same motorcycle. Like, it's hard enough to find friends that ride, but someone that's from the seed that you grew up with, got the same bike as you now, it's pretty dope. All right, y'all ready to run?
Yeah.
Hey! Gas station up here. Oh yeah. I don't know why I like Shell better, but I think it's their marketing with their Super Plus. We got all the bikes out. All the Harley boys. The Harley Davidson. Why do they all look the same? Why is that? Why do all Harley riders literally look the same? As a Harley rider, I feel like I'm allowed to say that, but I mean, look. How's it going? Good, good, good. Old white haired men in the chaps. We actually ended up going to a 4.2. I think this is a 4.3 gallon bike. So I literally had 0.1 gallons of gas left. Storm is a big, thirsty girl. Just how I like it.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. The GTS 911. Freaking sweet. Gooden TG. What does that tag mean? Would you guys call a Porsche an exotic? I've seen that argued before. Yes, they're rare, but what really classifies an exotic? I thought they were, but like I said, I've heard some pretty convincing arguments that say otherwise. So, what's y'all's opinion? Brake, 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 brake. Angle. Let's go, let's go. Come on. Go. Brake, brake, brake. Lean, 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 lean. Woohoo! Ah. Short-lived. Short-lived. Alright, let me see if I get on D. If he picks it up a little bit. You think you will? I see him looking in his mirror. He's like, hell no, you can get around me. There we go. Alright, let's get it. Slow it down. Oh, the views. The views. He had to bring it up. He had to do it.
We might have 2 more chances.
Yeah, that's true. Woo! Duke's ready. D's ready. All right, I'll follow y'all. Y'all will help me stay out of trouble. Yeah, brand new R1. 1000rr Ducati. This is the famous spot. Tell them to go. Let's hit it, baby. Let's hit it. Woo! I know, next time we gotta stay there. All right, you ready? Ooh, R8. Damn. I would love to run an R8 on here. That'd be fun. Look, you're running a fat ticket. Oh yeah, he's pissed. He's pissed. He's pissed. Is he coming for us? Yeah, it's probably a good thing that car is in front of us, because we would have been getting it. Well, how is he gonna slow down when we hit these, find the pictures, bro? Hey, your old CBR. Bring your memories. Oh, my hips. Oh, we made it with the bikes. This CBR is how many miles on it?
91,000.
What?
This is exactly what Travis had, except not as nice.
This is what I had too back in the day. Look at that. 91,000 miles on it. For those of you who don't believe in that Honda reliability, this is it right here. That is insane. That is awesome. I love it. True rider. Wait, how many miles were on it when you bought it? 0? You bought it brand new? Wow.
Yeah.
Damn. What year is it?
It's the only inanimate object I've ever loved.
I don't blame you. What year is it?
06.
06.
Got her in 07.
Wow. Yeah, I mean, it looks, yeah. Wow. It's probably still got 90K in it.
She needs more love.
Hey.
Actually, she's got a little compression loss.
Yeah.
So
Okay, a
I'm
little
thinking
bit.
about that 100,000. I think I'm gonna have her on top of it. Well, I think
Okay.
I'm gonna have her rebuilt.
Yeah, I had the 1000rr before I had those R1. What would you get? 1000? Or another?
You know, have you
A Harley.
ever had a 954?
I've never ridden one. I never shot about that. Those are nice.
Same horsepower.
That's
I have a
awesome.
friend that has one, and I rode it probably 6 years ago.
Yeah.
And I'm still
Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, one of those. I mean, that's fine.
Oh yeah.
Find one
no
with
problem.
good condition, take care of. It'll run just like this one.
I think this is her 5th set of bearings.
Wow, 5th set of bearings.
But
Where would you
she's
recommend
hot.
getting bearings from?
eBay.
eBay? The
But
light looks
she is
good.
hot, so I take off her lowers.
That makes sense. Woo, we got a brand new R6. Dang, pretty sweet. You can tell he's about to get it. Quick shifter. That quick shifter you can't beat, man. I want to get a quick shifter. Got Nate out here flying my drone. Look at some cool ass drone shots. I'm pumped. There's nothing like being around other riders, man. I just get it, you know what I'm saying? I just get it, bro. Other people don't get it. He is back. I love that color. And what do y'all think about the new R6s? I am so torn on them. I think they look straight, but I don't know if I'd ever... I just feel like the iconic look of the old ones. I don't know if they got it with this one. I'm sure it's a great bike, but I love the color. The color's insane. Look at all the boogers on the tire. That's awesome. You can tell he rides the tail a lot. You even got a picture of it right there. Let's do it. Woo! We got the V2. Dang. The V2. I almost bought this bike this year before quarantine hit. That is awesome. Oh, Eddie, yeah, that's awesome. Damn. The V2. What do y'all think about this one as well? Would you rock a V2? I'd have to go with the V4. I don't know why. But it's a great looking bike. I mean, if you don't want to step up all the way to the V4, then I would definitely go V2 all day. All day. It's still a sweet looking bike, and it's exciting. You can't beat that, man. You cannot beat it. Not anymore, bro. I gotten soft with it. Back in the day, yeah, when you first start riding, you're like, yeah, I don't go. Yeah, no big deal, man. I just happen to be on the bike. Now I'm like 32, hell no, I'm taking the truck.